Is the quadratic formula very, 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 very hard for you to understand? The Math Hat tapes today will make you understand everything mathematically. Hello, I am the Math Hat, and today I will help you solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is given by negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where all you need to do is substitute the values of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 into the formula. For an easy problem, which is 5x squared minus 10x minus 15 equals 0, where a is 5, b is negative 10, and c is negative 15, substituting this into the quadratic formula, we get negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We will be having negative times negative 10 plus minus square root of negative 10 raised to the second power minus 4 times 5 times negative 15 all over 2 times 5. Of course, we have to solve this equation. Then again, negative times negative 10 plus minus square root of negative 10 raised to the second power minus 4 times 5 times negative 15 all over 2 times 5 will become 10 plus minus square root of 100 plus 300 all over 10 will eventually also become 10 plus minus square root of 400 all over 10. Now, let's solve this equation. Basically, keep solving. 10 plus minus square root of 400 all over 10, get the square root of 400 will become 10 plus minus 20 all over 10. You can still simplify 10 plus minus 20 all over 10. So let's do that. 10 plus 20 over 10, or 10 minus 20 over 10. Let's first do the first one. 10 plus 20 all over 10 becomes 30 all over 10, which is basically 3. 10 minus 20 all over 10 will become negative 10 over 10, which is basically negative 1. Therefore, the solution set to 5x squared minus 10x minus 15 equals 0 is x is equal to negative 1 or 3. You can check if the solution is correct by substituting the values into the equation. Substituting these values, x equals negative 1 or 3, should satisfy the equation. It will. Now, for the difficult part, which is 3 over x minus 2 equals 1 over x plus 1. Before we substitute this equation into the quadratic formula, we should first transfer it into the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This would give us an easier time in identifying the a, b, and c values. We can do this by eliminating the denominators. It's basically like how you do the similar fractions. To eliminate the denominators, let us multiply the whole equation by its LCD. The LCD in the equation, 3 over x minus 2 equals 1 over x plus 1 is x times x minus 2. Thus, we will have 3 over x minus 2 equals 1 over x plus 1 times x minus 2 will become 3x equals x minus 2 plus x times x minus 2. Now, we must turn the equation 3x equals x minus 2 plus x times x minus 2 into the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Therefore, it will become, by transposing everything that needs to be transposed into the right places, will become 3x equals x minus 2 plus x squared minus 2x. Let's still keep transposing until we have it in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. It will eventually become x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. It's already in the form where a is 1, b is negative 4, and c is negative 2. Now, where a is 1, b is negative 4, and c is negative 2 from the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0, we can now use the quadratic formula. So let's substitute the values. Substituting the values into the quadratic formula, you would get negative 1 times negative 4 plus minus square root of negative 4 raised to the second power minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 all over 2 times 1. Let's now solve the equation. So basically, negative times negative 4 plus minus square root of negative 4 raised to the second power minus 4 times 1 times negative 2 all over 2 times 1 will become 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 8 all over 2, which will then also become 4 plus minus square root of 24 all over 2, getting the square root of 24 will become 4 plus minus 2 square root of 6 all over 2. We can still simplify that though. So 4 plus minus 2 square root of 6 all over 2 will become 2 plus minus square root of 6. Therefore, the solution set to 3 over x minus 2 equals 1 over x plus 1 is x is equal to 2 plus minus square root of 6. However, remember that there are restrictions. The roots must not give a denominator of 0 when substituted into the original equation. If it does, it is not counted. X equals 2 plus minus square root of 6 when substituted did not give a denominator that is 0. So both roots were counted and correct. Plus, that solution set satisfied the equation when they were checked. Therefore, that is how you solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Bye bye! Bye now, bye now, bye now!